What's going on YouTube? It's Alex here with Present Moment Photographs. Today we're in Crested Butte, hiking the 403 trail, just going up to one of the main viewpoints, only about 2 miles. One of the coolest hikes in Crested Butte for sure. No one else is here, which is awesome too. Got it to myself. Tons of wildflowers, tons of mountain views. It's sick. Yep, let's get it. All right, so this is the view we've got right now. We're about 1.3 miles into the hike, and there's kind of this tree line here, and this is the view round in the corner. You can see, I think that's Gothic Mountain over there. And then down here, if we zoom in, you can kind of see it. We're gonna head down there. There's some cool chairs. Don't know who, what, when, where, why, or how, but we're gonna go check it out. So we hiked about 1.3 miles, and I showed the view a second ago, but there's kind of a trail that cuts off from the main along the ridge, and you can see it from the trail. Comes down, there's these benches, these little chairs, not a bench, chairs. Super cool view, super cool vibe, super cool spot. I mean, that's kind of just dope. There's like these chairs out here in the mountains with these epic views, so yeah. But there's supposed to be some more epic viewpoints, and we can see the mountains over that way too. So we're gonna keep hiking and checking it out, and yeah, get some photos, some vids, some cool stuff. All right, we've reached this fork in the trail, not too far after those benches. We're gonna go this way to the right, left. I mean, if you want to explore, I'm sure there's some amazing views, but we're gonna hike right a little more, check it out, and then circle back in a bit for sunset. But we're kind of at the top of this ridge. Like I said, it's only about 600 feet of elevation, only about 1.5 miles. So yeah, sick views here. For not too much hiking, and crazy wildflowers too. All right, so we're just another, 0.2 miles up from that first fork, and we're at this fork, and we're gonna hook a Louie. Supposed to be a really cool viewpoint, so we're gonna check that out. If you go this way, you go to Gothic Mountain, but we're gonna hit that viewpoint, take some pics. And then there was a spot on the way up I want to hit for sunset. Here we are, we're at the viewpoint, about 2 miles up here, 600 feet or so of elevation, maybe a little less than that in elevation. And you can keep hiking all the way up to the top of Gothic Mountain, but sun's setting. We just wanted to see some flowers, and I mean, you can see the mountains here, pretty sick. I just wanted to check out the views, checking them out. And so yeah, this is kind of a beginner basic hike, Crested Butte. Amazing flowers. If it's not flower season, you're gonna get some crazy fall colors. If it's not fall season, you're gonna get some crazy mountains, because they're always here. So definitely check this one out. All right, we got these flowers, some sick sunset shots with the lighting. We're gonna go check out one more spot. Hopefully the sky turns pink, something like that. Yep. right, we made it back to the car. It was about 4 miles round trip, 650 feet of elevation. Awesome hike. I mean, beautiful views, beautiful sunset, beautiful mountains, flowers, the whole shebang. So it's Trail 403 in Crested Butte. Definitely check it out. A couple of other people came up later on, but not super crowded, at least on the weekdays. Weekends, I mean, maybe a different story, but definitely worth checking out. So hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you can check it out. Whether it's this year for some wildflowers, next year. It's actually August, late August right now. And there were still like a lot of flowers. So it's definitely a higher elevation. They stay around. There's a cow mooing at me. Anyways, they stay around longer. Check it out. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.